What? Oh my gosh!
I want to drop down the Braille drop.
Can we not?
Bye.
What? Why did he just go? Hey guys, we are super excited to be here at the Braille house with very special guest.
Hey guys, what's up? My name's Kaden and I'm from Washington.
How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Leave it in the comments below what you were doing when you were 8 years old. You know what I was doing when I was 8 years old?
You skateboarding?
Probably. Actually, probably just very starting to learn how to skateboard, yes indeed. So how long have you been riding this BMX?
5 years.
Okay. Would it be safe to say you are the world's best BMXer?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I mean, like the world's best 8,
I was just gonna blanket the whole statement, just best in the world, but that's okay. Well done. So you've been riding for 5 years.
Yeah.
And what kind of tricks can you do?
Tail whip, bar spin, backflip.
No, you cannot.
Yeah.
Gabe, everyone that comes here can do a backflip.
I know.
we can't do. I did a backflip on a bike once.
You did?
It was half, and I landed on my back.
Oh.
Yeah, it hurt. And then I cried and went home. I was actually probably 8, and it was a total accident. I thought I was just going up a jump, and I landed on my back. Last time I ever rode a bike.
Is that when you decided skateboarding was for you?
Yeah, basically. So what do you want to do here at the Braille house today?
I want to drop down the Braille drop.
Can we not drop down the Braille drop? Are you sure?
Yeah.
For real? Does your mom know that you want to do that?
Yeah.
He's at an 11 set. I got confidence in him.
An 11 set? Do you think 11 set is like this similar to the Braille drop? I'm terrified. Do you have at least? We'll start with the ramp. We'll start with some jumps. Man, I wish we had a good ramp for you to backflip, but we don't. I'll have to build one. Braille House 2.0.
I could probably tail whip up one of those. Maybe.
For real?
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay, should we do some tricks?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Another thing that we've been missing, Gabe, is actual safety gear. Like, look at him. He's set to go.
I would do so many more tricks if I had that much safety gear.
You would?
Yeah.
We should make a video with you and a whole bunch of safety gear.
Remember when I board slid the rail at Woodward?
More tricks.
Full padding.
He didn't do that. Board slide.
I really don't know what to expect right now.
No, me neither.
I did not know that was possible.
So we ordered one of these bikes on Amazon and nobody was here to accept the delivery, so we don't have one. Cool story. To me, that's amazing that he can just jump up there like that. And he said, I want to see you ride. No, you don't. Trust me.
What? What?
That's amazing. That is the thing that scares me the most about riding a bike, is falling on the bike. Did that hurt?
No.
Not at all. It's good to be 8 years old.
Whoa!
How do you do that? You just ride off? Seems so scary. Let's try. Let's try. I haven't skated in about 6 years. That's the best as I can do. Woo!
Whoa!
There you go.
Wow!
Okay, I'll try and get your back on that, okay? More or less, you counted it? There you go.
Wow!
Let's go! Come on!
I can't even ride fakie on my skateboard.
No, same.
$10, you can't do that.
$100, I cannot do that. You want me to try?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my.
Ah! You're in the way, Gabe. I would have done a 1080 if you weren't in the way.
Is there a weight limit on that thing?
super fun. I bet Nigel would be really good.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, now I'll do that trick that you did. I was watching carefully. First try? More or less it?
You think you could backflip?
No.
No?
Me neither.
Definitely not.
Well, now that you broke 4 kids' bike.
I'm gonna 180, fakie, and then 180 down the curve.
Okay, deal.
Oh!
Wait, I missed it.
You missed it?
Yeah.
Aaron!
Do it again. Do it again.
Oh!
I bet I could get to the top.
I bet you can too.
You want to hit the top?
Yeah.
Why can't we be as cool as this?
I don't know.
None of us have ever said, I would like to hit the top. The second we got this thing built, we were like, I don't even want to skate it. No, just kidding.
How high was that? Did you see?
I think he's at the 11 mark. I think it's like the second from the top.
It's like middle.
Oh yeah, you got it.
Middle dot. Dude, you were up there.
That's amazing. So that didn't scare you at all? Man.
Can you drive the crazy carts after?
We only have one that still works, maybe not even one.
That one works.
That one?
Yeah.
You realize it has no wheel, right?
Maybe this one works.
They don't work.
Okay.
You broke them. Wow. Just wow.
How was that 5-star? Easy?
Yeah.
Where's Nigel when you need him? I bet
I want to
Nigel.
drop higher.
You want to what?
I want to drop higher.
Higher?
Yeah.
Man,
Is there any other way?
there isn't. Unless maybe we put a box on top of this. Or, I guess the only thing that's higher than this is the Braille drop.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Just straight to that?
You don't want to do this a few more times? Get your legs all ready?
Are you sure? We kind of want you to.
Okay. How do you get up there?
We don't even know. We've never been up there.
Wait, what?
I'll show you. 1, 2. Probably like that. It's probably good, right? Wow. But can I do that? Let me try. More or less.
What?
Did I do it?
No.
How did you learn how to do all this?
My dad.
Your dad showed you?
Yeah.
He rides BMX too?
I mean, he used to.
He did? Super cool. I really think it's cool that your mom and dad are so supportive of you doing this. Not every mom and dad is so supportive of their 8-year-old jumping off the Braille drop on a small bicycle. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
When I was a kid, I didn't tell my mom, and then I went home and I said, Mom, today we jumped over an interstate. And she was mad. Is that impressive? I love how he just calls me out. Okay, I'm gonna try and impress you by the end of this day. Oh my gosh! Is that impressive? Not even a little bit. Not even for a
Get up
beginner.
the ramp.
What?
Get up the ramp?
Get up there?
Yeah.
Like, tell me everything.
Like right up there.
Right up there and stop on the top?
Oh. Oh my goodness.
You seen what I just did, Gabe?
What?
I saw it. It was nice.
Let's go!
Remove that.
We call that in the BMX world, we call it a flare.
What do you call it in Montana?
A big flare. Okay. Take this away before I break my back. Woo! You think you can jump up there?
No.
Same. I tried it once.
You have?
Yeah.
Did you land like right there?
Yeah. Real bad. Yeah, scary day.
Oh wait, look at the little Pikachu on there.
Yeah. Look at him. He just carries his own bike. No big deal.
That's high.
It's huge. I think it's 9 feet.
9.5.
9.5
Exactly.
feet. So, okay, so you're gonna go into that ramp. This is terrifying. You know how many times I've done this?
No.
Me neither.
Bye.
What? Why did he just go? He goes, what?
He said, bye, and just jumped down.
I was just cleaning the pathway for him, and all I see is douche.
That was amazing.
Aaron, you're next.
Yeah. You want to go again? I'll be having like elbow pads, knee pads, hip pads.
Wow.
It was amazing to me how calm and collected you were, just like, whee! Gabe, you ready?
No. Wow.
Let's go! Should we go to a different park?
Yeah.
Let's go. Wow, that was amazing.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome. What was the thing that you thought was like your best trick?
The Braille drop.
The Braille drop in? Cool. I like this one the most. You were just like, for you that's probably so easy though.
Yeah.
You're like first try, no big deal. Also the 360 to fakie and the mini ramp, amazing. Very well done. Well, so what's the future hold for you?
What does that mean?
Like, what are you gonna do in the future? You're gonna win every contest and be the best BMXer in the whole world? Well
I'm
said.
trying double tail whips and double bars.
Double tail whips? Do you have like a giant ramp facility that you learn all this stuff on?
Yeah.
Do you have like a foam pit?
No.
Have you ever
I have an
used a foam?
airbag.
You've never been to a foam pit?
No, I have.
You have, okay.
I have an airbag at my house
You have an airbag at your house?
and a box.
Like a big one that you can jump into? Wow,
And I also have the Hot Wheels half pipe.
that's incredible. Boom! Okay, well, thank you so much for coming out here. And do you want all these fine people there to go subscribe to your channel?
Yeah.
Maybe they didn't even know you had a channel. You gotta give yourself like the biggest shout out. He's too modest. Go ahead, let the people know.
Kaden BMX.
Follow him, it's in the description. Just go there and just give him a subscribe, okay? Come on, you wanna see more crazy BMX stuff? I know I do.
Yeah.
That was amazing. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you also can learn how to ride a skateboard and a BMX.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
You think they will?
Mhm.
Okay, I think they will too.